Hey guys, today we're going to be installing the Veise keyless entry door lock. That's a deadbolt, and then it also comes with a handle that goes in the door so you can open and close it. We're putting this on our back door so that we have easy access to be able to get in and out of the door, and everybody can just have a key code and you don't have to go fumbling with your keys. So here's the install of that.
good.
So we have a default master code.
Right, okay.
Okay. Boom, boom,
Press the thing.
boom. Then you hit 1. Okay.
This keypad actually has many different functions, and they give you an entire little quick guide sheet right here on how to do everything. There's a master code at the top of this paper. I folded it over so that you guys don't see my master code, but to be able to change your master code, they tell you exactly what buttons to press here and what's going to happen and what you need to press to be able to get that changed. Then you can add a user code. You can delete a user code. There's a silent mode on here. If you don't want it to have all of the noises and whatnot that it makes, you can simply put in your master code and then you can disable or enable that. There's an auto lock feature on here. So if you want it to automatically lock after a certain amount of time, you can set that up as well. Again, you're going to need your code for that. There's a set auto lock time. So if at a certain time of day you want it to be locked, you can do that as well. You can add a one-time code. So if you just want to have one time this code can be used and that's it, you can set that up. And then there's a vacation mode that you can enable and disable on this as well. So again, a lot of features that you can do with this. The main thing that we wanted was to have a keypad on here so that our kids could get in and out of the door without us needing to get our keys out. But this one does take a manual key if for whatever reason your batteries go out or whatever. This is what the key looks like right there. We're just going to simply put it on in, turn. You get a good lock. You'll see the red light up top there. If you want to unlock it, simply turns that way. Nice fluid on the inside. Nothing got stuck or hung or anything in there. So this is a fantastic little lock. If you guys are looking for a good one that has all those different features, y'all definitely need to go and check out this one right here. Works extremely well. Thank y'all for watching, and Dad out.